Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you a little bit of a haul of some new to me yarn from Walmart. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi, thank you so much for joining me here today. So I found some awesome new yarn at Walmart, and if this is the kind of stuff that you like to know about, like yarn and crochet and all things like that, then go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. Alright, so there are a couple of different types of yarn that I found that were new to me, but they're new to me yarn. So you guys may have seen them, they may have been out for a couple months now, but I am just now seeing them. And I wanted to share with you because I think that they are pretty exciting, especially for the Mainstays brand yarn. So to give you an idea and why I like the Mainstays yarn, it actually is pretty soft for a basic acrylic yarn. So I would say it's equivalent with the big twist yarn, or I love this yarn, that kind of yarn. So it's actually, to me, it feels a lot better than Super Saver. And if you've been with me long enough on this channel, I'm not a fan of Super Saver. So let me go ahead and show you what I found. And I'll show you the colors, and then I'll let you know what other colors they have that I did not find at my store. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this amazing, it is called Mainstays Sparkle Acrylic Yarn. Okay, and to give you some information, some specs on this yarn. So this yarn when I bought it in Georgia, it was Clayton, Georgia where I bought it. It was $2.88 for the full skein. What's amazing about that is roughly the same size and same type of yarn sold in a Super Saver is about double the price. So keep that in mind. Now, you don't get as many color options, however, you do get some beautiful colors, and it's great to save a little bit of money, right? So let me just go ahead and give you some more specs on this. In this skein, it is 251.53 yards or 230 meters. It is 5 ounces or 141.75 grams. It is a medium 4-weight yarn, and it is suggested to use 5mm needles or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I don't know why I had a problem figuring out what that was. That's what I use. It is 97% acrylic and 3% other fiber. The other fiber is the sparkle. And you can machine wash, tumble dry, but do not dry clean. Okay, so that is the specs of this particular yarn. Now, let me show you the different colorways. I have 3 colorways, and there's 2 other colorways that I don't have that I will tell you about in just a minute. But I do have 3 of the colorways. I would have gotten all of them if I could have, honestly. I really would have. A $2.88 a skein, right? So right now I have 2 skeins each. This particular colorway here that I've been waving at you, this one is called Rose Fume. So now on this one, and I'm saving the violet for later, the violet colorway for later. In this one, the sparkle is in the same color family as the yarn itself, which I think is very pretty. I do love that. So again, that is the rose. Now the other colorway that I have is called Taupe Splash. So again, in this one, the sparkly part, the tinsel, you know, it is in the same color family as the yarn itself. Isn't that just so pretty? Look at that, how it shines. Okay, now the other 2, I have one more colorway. I'm going to show you that here in just a minute because it's a little bit different than these 2 colorways that I just showed you. But the other 2 colorways that I do not have to show you, one is called Teal and the other one is called Silver. The teal is a dark teal. It's not muted kind of like this is. It's a dark teal. So it looks very vibrant, at least based on what I can see online. And on both of those, it looks like the tinsel that's wrapped in with the yarn is the same color family as the yarn itself. So so those are the two that I don't have to show you. Now what's different about this next one I'm going to show you, which the name of this one is called Sweet Violet. And what makes this one different is the tinsel is kind of a mint green, so it is not in the same color family as the yarn itself. Okay, you can see it a little bit better there, how it's a different color than the yarn. So I thought that was interesting, but this color really is complemented well. So just keep that in mind. But that's I got 2 of each of those. Now there is one other, and I don't have all the colorways I can tell you, but the basic colors are there. I'm sorry, I got ahead of myself. So the other new to me yarn is also an acrylic yarn, and it is the anti-pill acrylic yarn from Mainstays. Okay, and to give you the specs on this, it's an anti-pill acrylic yarn. It is 240.6 yards or 220 meters. It is 5 ounces or 141.75 grams. It is a medium or worsted weight yarn. It is suggested to use a 5 to a 5.5 millimeter needle, and to use they actually went up to a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. And I will tell you that this is on the thicker side of a medium weight yarn than the other yarn that I just showed you. Just a little fluffier, I think is a better way to put it. It is 100% acrylic, and it is machine wash, tumble dry, do not dry clean. Okay, so this, I will tell you, is really, really soft. Just really soft. Now this is the only one that I wouldn't call a basic color, but I saw this in black, white, and gray. I did pick up the black. I did pick up the black, so I do have that. And then of course I got the pink, and the pink is called Pink. But I did see a few colors in the basic colors of these, and but this is really, really soft, and this was about $3 a skein as well. So that is what I got from Walmart. I'm so excited to show you that. If you like stuff like this, like yarn hauls, crochet stuff, then go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell. And then while you're down there, comment. Let me know, what would you make out of that sparkle yarn? What would you be dying to do if you had that sparkle yarn? Let me know. I would love to get your opinions, and I can't wait to see you next time. You guys have an amazing day. Bye bye. Stella, baby, you're all up in my camera shot. Ew. Is this what you're wanting? Is that what you want? Yes, Stella. Okay, that's the yarn baby.